Crenova L6 model, and I have start problem with the fan noise. You can hear it. L6 model fan noise problem. Be crazy. The fan probably is soon will be dead, and that's the reason I make a decision. Finally, open this Crenova L6 model. There is also a little bit dust built in. It's not really a huge problem like on XP499. This one is much better. And also, I'll be clean it and check what kind of fan is inside, and buy the new one, replace them later on and fix it. Hopefully it will be all good and also much quieter. Okay, switch off and have a look inside. Okay, I never opened this projector, but as I'm a good technician, I going and follow my instinct. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe underneath, but definitely 4 screw. I will try it. There is I think one more under this, because there is an arrow as well. All of them have an arrow, which you can see here. Okay, let's go take off the screw and open it. I just find it looks like not all screw is the same. I take it this one over first, which is this small, and just next one is slightly bigger. That means be sure you put them on the same position once you put them all back. Put them on the side one by one, and be sure you exactly put the right screw on the right position. That means on the corner is short and probably on the side will be long. Okay, there, you see, there's a screw underneath as well. Okay, all screw is out apart of one, which I can take it off, but it's definitely unscrew already. It just doesn't want to go off. This means there is just only one long screw, which is going here on the middle. And now, if I could remember, I see somewhere how it's opened the M1080, which should be the same design. And just take that screw off and just open it from all sides. Okay, there is one more screw I forgot. That screw is also short. That means we really have just only one long screw, and now all screw is out. Now should be everything go easy. You just lift up. Here you go. Unplug this cable. Okay, just unplug the one cable which is going on this board. It's crazy, just two cable connecting all of this button. Interesting. Not sure how it exactly works, but yeah, that's fine. And yeah, here you go. Got the projector open it, and have a look. We got the dust on this mirror, which should be alright. There should be no problem at all. This is probably Wi-Fi connection, and got this little fan here and one blower over here. There's again no any dust filter. I will probably put one over here to make sure stop going dust in. But so far this projector it doesn't have so much dust in. And I think this projector, this is the fan which makes that loud noise, and looks like it's a standard fan which will be easy to replace. Okay, plug in this projector and switch on to be sure it's that fan that makes that noise. Okay, now it doesn't make a sound. Maybe the Just need to put some oil or something inside, but definitely it's absolutely alright. But I will definitely replace this fan for one which is much quieter. Okay, now have a look how to open the rest of this and clean it, because there is a dust inside already. We have got the one screw on the right side, and on the back is two screws. One is here, another one is on the other side. There is also one blower fan which is just lifted up, and there is probably, yeah, definitely there is one more screw inside here, this hole. Okay, take out the screw and open it. Okay, this goes down as a one part, and it's a nice and seal inside. It looks like there is no gold dust in easily. And now I will have a look and clean this LCD. You can see that hole down, which is actually for suck any dust out from this projector, and should be helped, but not really perfect solution. But if it will be bigger, that will be much better, but it's alright. Okay, now lifted up this LCD slowly and have a look on the dust. There's not so much dust, it's just a little bit. Okay, I will definitely use the both hand to not make a damage and clean it, put it together, and that's it. All done. And I also replaced this fan for the one I have spare. Actually, it's been alright. I take it from the computer. I got down here, it's from the CPU cooler. Also the connector is different, but I just take off the plus and minus cable, cut the original cable and solder in, and make a isolation as well to be sure. And because there is so many space for the cable, I just put this all of the cable inside, and that's it. Just close the projector and I can use it again. Hopefully this will help to someone, and if you got any question, don't forget to ask. And also I will be I'm not sure, putting the filter in over here, because he's taking so hot. No idea, not now, maybe later on I will put some filter in, and that's it. Okay, now just close this projector, and it's ready to use again. Nice, clean, all good. Close the top cover, put the old screw back. Don't forget the middle one is the longer one on the front, and after that just final test. Assemble it again, and now we'll test it. Button works. All looks is working. There is an Android, as you know, and all looks alright. Hopefully the fan doesn't make that noise again, and I'll be happy. Okay, that's it for now, and hopefully you like it. Don't forget to click like, share this video, and do what you need. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Hopefully you like it, and see you soon on my another video.